Now in the reasoning part, what symbols we are using for and or? One word is A and D for and OR for or. What are the symbols we are using? That is what? That is the basic logical connectives. Okay. Now in the study of logic, the word and is symbolized by this symbol we are using. Okay, we are using this symbol for and, like this. And is symbolized by arrow upside, or is symbolized by downward arrow. Okay. So now we are having two terms. Already you have gone through that terms, but term wise a new thing for you. Okay. So number one, we are having conjunction. Conjunction. Okay. Now what it means? If two statements are combined by the word and, we are combining with the word and. Now if two statements are combined by the word and, the resulting statement is called a conjunction. So now we can directly use the term conjunction. Okay, is called the conjunction. Now if P and Q stands for the statements if P and Q stands for the statements, means two different statements, or you can write it if P and Q symbolize for the statements. Okay, if P and Q stands for the statements, then the conjunction is symbolized by P, Q. Both are in small alphabet letters, in lower case. Okay. So conjunction, now directly we are going to use, we are not writing the sentences, we are not using the English language. Now we are going for the logics, for the mathematical part. Okay. So we will be writing directly like this. This means what? P and Q. Okay. Now number two, is disjunction. Now this stands for what? Just tell me. Good, nice. So this goes for the OR part. Okay. Now if two statements are combined by the word. Now here what we are going to use, in place of and we are using or. Okay, if two statements are combined by the word or and the resulting statement, sorry, don't write and, then the resulting statement is called disjunction. Now if two statements are symbolized by P and Q, respectively, then the disjunction is symbolized by okay. Now I have just changed a little bit statement. Here what I have written, if P and Q stands for the statements, one and the same thing, okay, and here just to change it a little bit to taste differently, okay. If two statements are symbolized by P and Q respectively, so that you can go from both the things, okay. So now here we are having what? Conjunction. It is directly P and Q, okay, and disjunction directly P or Q. So there is a difference, P and Q.